Badgerland Mini Trucks and Equipment. We have a 1999 Mitsubishi MiniCab 4x4. It's our stock number M0217. This truck is equipped with power steering, push-button four-wheel drive, high-low range. Overall truck is in very nice condition. Cab is nearly flawless. A couple of small spots here and there. Has been maintained very well. This truck has been fully serviced, new fuel pump, fuel filter, new battery. Truck is on stock wheels and tires. These are mud and snow tires. Walk around to the other side of the truck, into the cab. And to the interior. Again, this is a push-button four-wheel drive, 5-speed high-low range, 10 forward gears, 2 reverse, and we'll start the truck. Fuel-injected truck fires up right away. This is kilometers. And the interior. One small peeling spot back of the vinyl here that is not a tear though. Any additional questions on this truck or any others? Contact BadgerlandMiniTrucks.com.